Okay, hi there students. This is a writing for CAE. It's actually a proposal. So let me read the question. You read this notice at your local sports and leisure centre. The council is planning to close the centre for several months to carry out repairs. It also intends to make improvements to the facilities and services it offers. The director of the centre would like you to send a proposal outlining where you think improvements can be made to the facilities and the services. Write your proposal. Okay, so let's come a fraction back. Solution. A proposal to upgrade the sports centre. Introduction. The main aim of this proposal is to present ideas to enhance the facilities and give recommendations for improving the services being offered in the leisure centre. Yeah, recommended for improving. Yeah, for improving, to improve, for improvement of, for improving works. So, why is it important? As the director of the centre may be aware, it's a very nice phrase. Try adding the word well to this as well. It just gives it a little bit extra, but there's nothing. I like very much the phrase. As the director of the centre may be well aware, there are serious issues related to this old construction. So, old construction. This, instead of old, let's try a different word. For example, outdated construction. Okay, sorry. Not only have walls to be repaired, but also floors and windows. So you missed your main chance. Not only do walls have to be repaired, but also floors and windows. Moreover, it is clear from our customers' feedback that numerous fit machines have become completely obsolete. They've become completely obsolete. Furthermore, the service needs to be of superior value added. So firstly, instead of value added, added value. Added value, and we lose the added at the end. Notice it's value added tax, yes, but of superior added value. Furthermore, the services need to be of superior added value. Ideas to modernize the facilities. There is no doubt it would be expensive to refurbish the leisure centre. However, some builders are willing to take part in my proposal for a low fee. Okay, for a low fee, for a low fee, at a low, I'd probably say at a low price, but for a low fee. Fee is perhaps more professional, like a doctor or a lawyer or an accountant. Let's just add to this. However, there are a number of builders who are willing to take part in my proposal. So to take part in, let's try changing this word to undertake my proposal for a low fee. It would be ideal to use renewable materials such as recycled plastic to replace the floor, comma, as it is cheap and in accordance with sustainable policies. Because if you don't put a comma here, renewable materials such as recycled plastic to replace the floor as it is cheap. The as it is cheap, if you don't put a comma, is clearly it's talking about the floor, and we want to talk about the recycled plastic. So it would be ideal to use renewable materials such as recycled plastic to replace the floor, as it is cheap and in accordance with sustainable policies. I like the sustainable policies. Additionally, windows should be wider. Okay, yeah, additionally, windows should be wider. Yes, it works. I might. This is. It's very short. This is. So let's see. Let me change it round. This is not wrong though. Additionally, users would benefit from wider windows. OWS. Lastly, the best solution to improve the walls seems to be an innovative restoration by adding flexible reused materials. Okay. So seems to be an innovative restoration by the adding of flexible reused materials. Suggestions to offer better services. It would be an advantage to implement new technologies. For instance, here I would say, for instance, the making use of vision systems. So it would be an advantage to implement new technologies. So let's join these two together with a colon. Sorry, let me just get the right keyboard. For instance, yeah, this time, okay, so using a colon, this is also itself saying for instance. So it would be an advantage to implement new technologies. For instance, no, so for instance, machines, that's better now, making use of vision systems. This would be beneficial since people would not lose time, not by, when entering and leaving the facility. Ultimately, if machine learning solutions are integrated into our new website, they might also benefit our clients, as the gathering of data would offer the best solutions. So benefit clients, comma, as the gathering of data would mean we can offer the best solutions, optimal solutions that fit our client's need. Conclusion: unless these suggestions are implemented, it is unlikely that this undesirable situation will improve. Therefore, I strongly urge this proposal be considered. Yes, be considered. That's a passive subjunctive to bring our users an unforgettable experience. Okay, let's see. At C2, at C1 CAE, this is a good proposal. Many of the changes I've made are to improve the cohesion, the way it reads together, the way it holds together. You've answered the question very well. I would say 4.5 out of 5. You've done it very nicely. How ambitious are the structures? For CAE, if you'd hit this one, it would have been much better. This subjunctive at the end, I absolutely love. Try using semicolons and colons in these things as well. Also, the words like moreover, additionally, it's fairly ambitious. I'm still a bit miffed you didn't actually get the inversion here, because you should have. I think probably 4 again at CAE. The vocabulary is fine. I would give you've used quite good and interesting vocabulary. Again, 4, and it's 4 out of 5. It's very appropriate to this, and the number of little mistakes are actually quite low. I know I've made quite a lot of corrections, but these are improvements, not correcting things that are wrong. So they're not incorrections, they're improvements. I think probably at CAE 4.5. I think overall I'm going to give this at CAE probably a 7.5 or an 8. I think this is maybe an A minus, maybe a B plus, A minus, something like that. It's certainly well done. So, well done, Storksy.